Okay, so hello everyone. We are going to do an experiment that is on the topic of solids, liquids, and gases. So we're going to make use of two different reactions here to collect the gas and see how much each one produces. So in our first bottle, we'll use vinegar, and we also have a balloon with some baking soda in it. And we'll see how the baking soda reacts with the vinegar. It will produce a gas, and we'll see how much gas that produces compared to our second bottle. Our second bottle has about the same amount of Coca-Cola in it, and we also have a separate balloon for this one with about the same amount of material in the balloon, which is a Mentos. So the material in the balloons are comparable to each other, like they're about the same amounts. And yeah, we'll see how much gas from each reaction is created. Gas is going to be collected inside the balloon, and we'll see which reaction is more intense. So, I'm going to start by putting the balloon over top of the lid here, and not putting the materials in yet. And this one as well. Oh, there we go. Okay. And we'll add about the same much time here. Okay, so that one's going. And this one as well. You see, balloons are filling up here. There's a little bit of gas escaping it. Whoa. Okay. So as we see, there's more gas collected by the baking soda and vinegar reaction than there was from the Coca-Cola Mentos reaction. Okay, so what's happening here is the baking soda and the vinegar, they react to each other to create carbon dioxide. So that's the gas that's collected in our balloon here. And the Mentos, it has some holes in it, which increases the surface area, which increases the production of carbon dioxide bubbles in the Coca-Cola. So that is also our gas collected here, is the carbon dioxide as well. So, yeah. So the conclusion of our experiment is the baking soda and vinegar reaction, in this case, was stronger than the Mentos and Coca-Cola reaction. It might be different with different liquids, such as Diet Coke, or another different pop might create more gas, but in this case, the baking soda vinegar wins. Okay. Hello, to an extension of the video we did before, you can grab the two bottles, you can fill it up with about the same amounts of vinegar, and the variable you can change is the amount of baking soda. So we have a balloon here with lots of baking soda, so you can see it's like this whole bottom part is baking soda, and a balloon here with far less baking soda, just about this much, about a dime amount maybe of baking soda, and see which balloon blows up faster. So you can make your prediction before you start your experiment, see how the different amounts of baking soda affect the reaction and your amount of carbon dioxide that's collected. So let's see. Whoa. Okay, so as we see, the balloon with much more baking soda had a much greater reaction and produced much more carbon dioxide than our other balloon here that had less baking soda. So we can measure how much carbon dioxide is produced by each. We have a very strong visual here as shown by our balloons. Okay, so have fun with this experiment. Bye!